everyone, and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to generate an API token. To do so, click on the little fella in the upper right-hand corner, and from the drop-down menu, select Profile and Account. Select Security from the sidebar. Scroll down to API Tokens, and here you will be able to generate an API token for each of your projects. And once you have generated your token, be sure to copy it and store it somewhere safe. Now, if you close this window too soon, or if your token is stale, no problem. Just hit the Reissue button. And, of course, you can always revoke an API token. If you have any questions, or if you'd like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video, or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.